Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Japan. This is an Umai crate. You can get these over at japancrate.com and use the coupon code TheRamenRaider and get yourself a snazzy little discount. Let's crack this sucker open and see what's inside. So when you open this thing up, the first thing you're going to see is this pamphlet, and in here, it's got information about all the varieties and necessities and things and thises and thatses that are inside. If you don't know how to read Japanese or understand instant noodle packaging directions, you don't want to lose this. So don't. You also get a recipe card. Alright, you know the drill. I'm just going to go through this thing randomly and pick stuff out, and we'll see what we got. Alright, so the first thing we got is some vegetable ramen from Kenko Foods. And these crates usually have some stuff from this company. They're usually quite good. They purport them as being more healthy. They use like 100% whole wheat flour. At least I believe that's what it's saying. 100% vegetable oil. But yeah, the ones that I've had, they're really good. I'm pretty sure I've had this one, so it probably falls into that category of pretty darn good. Next up, we've got a pack version from Yamamoto Saifun. This is Tanuki's Father's pork bone style ramen. So I'm gonna just say this is like a tonkatsu, generally. And Tanuki means it's also called the raccoon dog. And if you go to a ramen restaurant in Japan, you'll see these little tanuki statues outside the door of the ramen place. They're considered really lucky, mythical creatures. Anyways, they have testicles that are ridiculously oversized. So if you see pictures of the front of a ramen joint in Japan, chances are you'll see one of these things. And those aren't extra legs. Those are its nuts. Well, this is a neat surprise. So this is Hachibo and their seafood Sara Udon in a cup. And I've never seen this before. This is a really neat thing. I'm curious how you actually do this one up, because Sara Udon is like, I've reviewed it before. If you look up, it's just like the name Sara and then Udon. But it's like you have a crispy noodle, and then you put the vegetable and meat sauce on top of it, and it kind of turns into a soft noodle, and then there's crunchy parts in it as well. It's a really good meal. It's really neat, but I've never even thought of it in a cup. So this is really cool and new. Thank you. Here's another one. This is, I believe, from Itomen. This is their wild vegetable udon cup, and this has a lot of vegetables. Pretty wild. Next up, we've got some Shinoshi spicy ramen. Shinoshi is one of those companies that has a jingle that now for the rest of the week, it's going to go through my head. It's all, Shinoshi, Shinoshi, eat it, Shinoshi, Shinoshi. It's just like, and it's got all the echo in the background. There's like an old commercial for them that goes like that. But it's good. It's good. I like this one. I'm really stoked to see this again. This will get a re-review. All right, so this is a Marshawn variety. This is After Nabe Ramen. And I'm looking here. I don't know if it even has sachets in it. This might be like just a noodle block. It mentions in here using it with this sweet curry that I'm going to show you next, I'm guessing. So, yeah. I've never had this. I love that about these boxes. Usually there's something I've never had. So, yeah. Cool. And here, this is Hachibo sweet curry. This is a meat-free curry using 9 styles of vegetables and mango too. It's a fruity sweet curry that's less hearty, that even small children can eat. Enjoy it simply and deliciously by adding it on top of rice or cooked noodles. Less hearty. Never heard anything said that way. I think maybe you mean less spicy, less rich. I don't know. Next up, we have set for stir-fried kimchi vermicelli. The spicy stir-fried sauce is exploding with various flavors, including a rich gochujang chili paste, garlic, and ginger, perfectly paired with vermicelli noodles. Yeah, I think I've had some of this before, and it's been pretty good, so yeah. Have I had this one? I don't know, but I like kimchi, so I'll have it. And now it's time for the bonus item! The bonus item this month is HB Dry Food Market Scallions. Yes, scallions, little dried cut scallions in small sachets. You can use them on anything you want. Use them with something though that's wet, because if you don't, they'll stay dry. Alright, so in the December 2020 Umai crate, you get Tanuki ramen, vegetable ramen, kimchi vermicelli, something for hot pot, multi-vegetable delight udon, Shinoshi, spicy, scallions, sweet curry, Sara udon, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Alright, cool. Thank you very much. I just want to say this is the December box, so if you've got friends and family for the holidays that, really don't want to go out so much because of, this is a great deal. If there's no restaurants open or anything like that because of COVID, get these things. They can cook at home. They can cook all sorts of stuff at home, and you can send these great boxes to anybody, anywhere. So if you want to check them out, head on over to japancrate.com. You'd be glad you did. And now, hey, use that coupon code, The Ramen Raider. All right. Well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Goodbye.